Hello, my name is Kirk Wheeler and I'm a United States Navy vet. If you're active duty, retired, or a military vet, then I want to share some great news with you. First, are you a vet or do you know of any active duty military or veterans in your family or you have any friends who are veterans? Second, do you already have a VA hospital patient profile in the system at the VA? Meaning, have you ever been seen at the Veterans Administration's hospital or clinic? If so, then I want to share some very important information with you, and I'm only sharing this with active duty and military vets right now. You're eligible to receive a NASA based Active Pure technology air purification system, which rapidly reduces 99.9% of airborne SARS CoV 2 virus, which is the virus that causes all the variants of the COVID 19 MRSA within 3 minutes with the push of a button in an FDA compliant military lab test. It also reduces bacteria, odors, mold, and mildew in your home, which helps to significantly relieve asthma, allergies, and it protects the immunocompromised and improves the overall quality of life for your entire family. If you have any underlying conditions such as COPD, bronchitis, asthma, allergies, sleep apnea, it actually helps with your breathing in your home. This device doesn't take long to clean the air, just 3 minutes, and it'll clean up to over 3,000 square feet. It even cleans the surfaces of viruses and bacteria as well with the push of a button. But the best part of all, it is absolutely free. A $1,500 retail value to all vets and all active duty military. 0% risk. You served and protected our country, and I would like to protect you and your family right now. All active duty and veterans of any branch gets this absolutely free. The Active Pure technology is currently used to protect a number of major institutions such as the Cleveland Clinic, Ground Zero Museum, the Liberty Bell Museum, the Pentagon, the International Space Station, and a host of schools, businesses, and other institutions across the world. I invite you to visit my website at www.thecleanerairandwater.com to watch a short 3.5 minute video to learn more about this incredible device. Please also share this information with other veterans and active duty service members and be sure to give them my contact information. Our goal is to help to protect you and your families the way that you protected our country. I will contact you this week to go over the next steps and I look forward to working with you. However, if you have an appointment already scheduled with your medical provider at the VA, then please contact me immediately. Yes, I said it. It's absolutely free. Thank you for your service. Now, what's your email address so I can send you more information and help you to get started breathing a better life? For more information, click on the website information below.